Reality is a divine language spoken through the frequencies of creation. Everything you dream, desire, and aspire to already exists within the quantum field of infinite possibilities. Just as waves ripple through the ocean, your intentions ripple through the fabric of existence, creating patterns that shape your reality. The power to manifest lies not in the wanting, but in the art of becoming that which you seek. The challenge emerges from our limited understanding of this universal language. We often speak in terms of lack. When abundance surrounds us in every moment, the universe responds not to your words, but to your energetic signature. This may seem abstract, yet it's fundamentally practical when you align your energy with your desires. The universe conspires to bridge the gap between dream and reality in the realm of manifestation. Many focus solely on visualization, yet visualization alone is like whispering into the wind. It's the emotional resonance you carry that amplifies your message to the cosmos. Your vibrational frequency acts as the translator, converting your dreams into tangible reality. Thus, the key to manifesting lies in mastering the universe's native tongue through 5 essential steps. Number 1 begins with understanding the power of energetic alignment. From the moment you awaken each day, the universe calibrates to your frequency to effectively manifest your desires. You must first become fluent in the language of energy. The universe doesn't recognize limitation or impossibility. It responds to the unwavering certainty of your energetic state. Any doubt, hesitation, or disbelief you harbor is interpreted as resistance understanding. This dynamic transforms your approach to manifestation, much like tuning an instrument to perfect pitch. We must align our energy with the frequency of our desires. When we achieve this alignment, we enter a state of quantum resonance, where our dreams naturally gravitate toward physical expression. Conversely, when our energy fluctuates or contradicts our stated desires, we create interference patterns that delay or prevent manifestation. This profound insight reveals the critical importance of maintaining energetic consistency in our manifestation practice. Our energy serves as the bridge between the realm of possibility and the world of form, dictating which dreams crystallize into reality. Moving on to the second step, embrace the power of emotional alchemy. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, responds not to logical arguments, but to the magnetic pull of genuine emotion, as everything manifests through the law of vibration. Emotional mastery becomes your greatest ally in the manifestation process. When we understand that emotions are the language of the soul, we begin to harness their transformative power. However, the universe interprets our emotional state differently than we might expect. Consider this: if you constantly feel the strain of reaching for your dreams, the universe perceives this as a signal to maintain the gap between you and your desires. Instead, immerse yourself in the feeling of already living your dream reality. Let every cell of your being resonate with the joy of achievement. The profound truth is that manifestation occurs in the now, not in some distant future. Every possible reality exists simultaneously, including the version where your dreams are already fulfilled. By aligning your emotional frequency with this reality, you begin to draw it into your physical experience. The key lies in maintaining this elevated emotional state, not as an act of pretense, but as a genuine expression of your inner knowing. This alignment creates a magnetic field that attracts circumstances, people, and opportunities that match your dream's vibration. Our third step involves mastering the art of quantum perception. To manifest effectively is to develop an awareness of the infinite field of possibility where your desired reality already exists. Life, unlike linear manifestation, is a multidimensional experience, and your mastery depends on your ability to perceive beyond the obvious. Consider this analogy. When you observe a master chess player, they see not just the current board, but countless future possibilities in a similar way. As you expand your perception of possibility, you enhance your ability to navigate the manifestation process. It's like developing a sixth sense that allows you to recognize the subtle signs and synchronicities guiding you toward your dreams. This expanded awareness enables you to make choices that align with your desired reality, rather than reacting to current circumstances. The process of developing quantum perception involves training yourself to see beyond the apparent limitations of your current situation, recognizing that what appears as obstacles are often disguised opportunities in this game of manifestation. The more you cultivate this expanded awareness, the more skillfully you can navigate the path to your dreams. By embracing this heightened perception, you transform from a passive dreamer into an active creator, consciously shaping the reality you desire. Our fourth step introduces the concept of vibrational momentum, which serves as your accelerator in the manifestation process. The universe doesn't respond to sporadic bursts of aligned energy. It resonates with sustained vibrational patterns. Thoughts and intentions often prove insufficient, as they lack the power to maintain consistent momentum. Your focused attention, your sustained belief, your unwavering commitment, they create the momentum necessary for manifestation when something feels aligned. Maintain that feeling when it feels discordant. Release it immediately. The key to momentum lies in consistency. Follow what elevates your vibration. Ignore what lowers it, and never compromise your energetic integrity for temporary comfort. The mind may suggest shortcuts or quick fixes. However, it's essential to maintain the integrity of your vibrational momentum. If it lifts you up, amplify it. If it brings you down, transmute it by consistently building positive momentum. You create an unstoppable force that magnetizes your dreams into reality. Now let's explore our fifth and final step, activating your manifestation blueprint to truly understand the mechanics of manifestation. Examine the relationship between your conscious intentions and your subconscious programming. Manifestation draws primarily from your subconscious beliefs. It pays little attention to your conscious wishes, which often contradict your deeper programming. Your subconscious mind, unlike your conscious mind, cannot reject or filter information. It accepts and reflects all beliefs, regardless of their nature. The subconscious doesn't distinguish between imagined and real experiences, often generating emotional responses as if desired outcomes were already achieved. It's crucial, therefore, to maintain consistent alignment between your conscious desires and subconscious beliefs. For dwelling in contradiction can create resistance and delay manifestation. Furthermore, the subconscious operates without judgment. It simply mirrors the sum total of your beliefs, including those acquired through experience and conditioning. Your subconscious cannot differentiate between empowering and limiting beliefs. That discrimination must come from your conscious awareness. Through the power of conscious repetition, you can reshape your subconscious blueprint. Suppose you seek to transform from scarcity to abundance. Repeatedly embodying the feeling of infinite abundance becomes your practice. The secret lies not in mechanical repetition, but in genuine emotional embodiment. Here, it's vital to understand that your current circumstances are irrelevant. Your focus must remain on the reality you're creating. By consistently reinforcing this new blueprint, it begins to take root energetically. Gradually, your subconscious adopts this new pattern and starts reflecting it in your physical experience. As you truly embody abundance, your reality naturally shifts to match this internal state. In conclusion, remember this eternal truth. You are a conscious creator, and manifestation is your divine birthright. You hold the power to shape reality. You are the author of your experience. Align your energy, purify your intentions, and maintain your momentum. The universe mirrors your internal state by mastering these 5 steps and maintaining unwavering faith. You become a master manifester. Your dreams are your destiny, and you are their creator.